In Arizona, there are a couple different ways you can get charged with DUI. You can be charged as a misdemeanor or you can be charged as a felony. Felony DUIs are called aggravated DUIs. There are two different varieties of aggravated DUI. One is for driving with a child under 15 in the car. The other is for driving and having your license suspended at the time of driving, or having 3 DUIs within a 7-year period. So these two different ways of getting charged with aggravated DUI are felony offenses. They're not misdemeanor. And for a felony, one is a Class 6 felony and the other is a Class 4 felony. The problem with aggravated DUIs is that they're eligible your entire life. A Class 4 felony is eligible your entire life. So if you've ever been convicted of aggravated DUI, Class 4 felony, say 20 years ago, you get another one, you now have a prior felony conviction for aggravated DUI. If you are a convicted felon and that felony is eligible against you, meaning it's either an aggravated DUI, which will always be eligible, or you have another felony on your record and it still can be used against you, the amount of time that you can get on aggravated DUI is really pretty significant. Typically, people for aggravated DUIs, Class 4 felony, are looking at between 4 months and close to 4 years. If you've been convicted of a prior, though, that time explodes, and you could be looking at 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. People who have been convicted of multiple offenses can be looking at up to 10 and even more years. So aggravated DUIs are very, very serious, and the key there is how many times have you been convicted of aggravated DUI in the past, and also was your license suspended at the time of driving, and did you know or should you have known that your license was suspended? So a very typical DUI situation would occur like this. Someone's driving in their car, they have a child in the car, they're over the legal limit, they get pulled over. That's an aggravated DUI, Class 6 felony for having a minor in the car. For an aggravated DUI, a Class 6 felony, normally they would make some type of arrangement with you. Normally they would give you an undesignated felony that you could later work off and it could become a misdemeanor after you complete probation. You're not looking at spending months and months or possibly years in prison. The aggravated DUI Class 4 felony is a different matter. That's you're driving, you're impaired by alcohol or some other drug, and your license is suspended for DUI or it's suspended for some other reason. That makes an aggravated DUI Class 4 felony, and that's when you're looking at months and months or possibly years in prison. People get confused between aggravated DUI and extreme DUI or super extreme DUI. If the word extreme is in the title of your DUI, then it is a misdemeanor. If it's aggravated, then it's a felony. If you have any questions about this whatsoever, call me at 602-989-5000, and I'm Nick Alcock. Thanks so much.